What is objectifying?
Ah.
Hmm.
So, yun yung actually it goes beyond kaya nga yung pagkakamali ng isang lalaki objectifying female is the same pagkakamali of female objectifying males. So it's the same, no? Because you reduce the subject to hindi ka na tao, kundi ikaw na lang ay isang bagay na pinagpatasan. So yun yung nagiging pagkakamali ron, whether it's a joke or not a joke or it's a serious. So hindi siya pa doon bumabagsak